Alright, so now we're in crazy ass Daytona Beach. I don't know. Anything can happen here. Anything at all. Alright, so the first thing is I gotta get something to eat. Let me get out of this area. Worst drivers, worst crime. Terrible place. Terrible. Cities run horribly. Crime is off the hook. Daytona Beach. It's one of the cheaper cities to live, I guess. That's what they say, but it's not cheap. I don't live here, but I know what the rents are going for here. Crazy. You know, you're in the hood. You're paying $1,800 for a one-bedroom efficiency. So, yeah, it's pretty crazy. I think I'm gonna get something to eat. I'm afraid to even eat around here. You should see. I mean, if you ever come down here, the people that are serving your food, you would believe me, you wouldn't eat the food after you see who's serving it. So, taking your life in your hands, eating down here. So I don't know where I'm gonna eat. I think I'm gonna try to eat at a Kentucky Fried Chicken, only because I can get a pot pie there. I wouldn't eat their chicken. It's my own opinion. $80 degrees. Actually, a good place to eat here is Wawa. Believe it or not, they have excellent food. If you're in Florida and you don't know where to eat, Wawa is always a safe choice. Oh, nice signal. Nice signal, buddy. I'm gonna get hung up in this lane here. This is Wawa in the hood, so I might have to turn the phone off, because if you're not paying attention here, you get robbed. Anything can happen. Let's see. Crazy town. Let me shut this off. Let's restart it.